Welcome back to my bike check. You guys asked for it, you're getting it. To start it off, this is an Eastern Complete Griffin 2014 bike. All right, I got the Eastern seating, got the Eastern framing, the Barsies, and the Stevie. All right. Now I got these Sunday grippies, pretty nice. They last a long time. These are the Jack Seeley grips. Jake Seeley. I got the. Hold on. I got the Odyssey R series. I got the R25 millimeter offset because I think I'm cool. I got this Stolen Rampage rim lace to a Cult match female axle hubby. Odyssey Ross B2 tires. I got some Sunday Knox Guardy sprocket because you can see all my grinds I do. I got these Odyssey Twisted PCs. Piece of crap. And I got these Demolition Revolt Crankaronis. These got a lifetime warranty, and so do these bad boys. And I got my clutch back wheel! The complete wheel, boys. It's yours for a limited time. It costs $200-something, and you know, you can go backwards and your pedals don't move. So there you go. That's my bike check.